Go for it.
Okay, we'll get this right. How you doing, everybody? Randy Richard in the shop. But today we have our special guest. I'm not going to say guest star, but guest. Bruce Whittam is here today. And we have a little project. What is it, Bruce?
This is going to be for the four-jaw chuck. When this goes to air, it'll be after the four-jaw chuck championship between Abom and Keith Fenner, and we've decided to punk them. Where they have to bring this this bar into the four-jaw chuck, and get it as close as they can to zero.
Dial it in.
Dial it to zero in the least amount of time possible. That's the winner. This is a grudge match. This is already 3 years in a row. 2 years Keith Fenner's taken the belt home. No. Keith's only taken it home once, right? No, twice he's taken it home.
Once.
Once.
Yeah. See? Our cameraman even says once.
He made it. Anyway, okay.
Once.
Anyway, so we've last year we had the saga with the four-jaw chuck key, which was made by Tom Lipton. And that was a fantastic.
That was unbelievable.
That was a real showstopper.
That was
so fantastic. We're hoping that this year this is also going to be a showstopper, because what we've done is I've taken a piece of hex bar and machined it so it's eccentric. So when it gets into the four-jaw chuck, and turn it around, it's going to take a lot to get it right. However, what we've done is we reckon that that's not going to be any good, because as soon as he starts to dial in, they are going to get, this is concentric. It's not going to work. So I've made an eccentric one. What I've done is I've machined it, and then I've put a shim in and moved the bar, and I've only cut part. So I've made a banana out of it, made an egg shape out of it.
By what?
By a thou.
We do about 1,000 and a half.
1,000 and a half.
Right.
Deviation on it. So they're never going to be able to get it to zero. It doesn't matter what they do.
No matter what they do.
Never be able to do it. So we're going to be there laughing our box off, and we're going to be putting our money on it and all the rest of it, and we're going to have some great fun. So if we want to ship around here, we can see we've got another one in the lathe. So we've got another one. We've chucked up. This was the trial one, and this one is a little bit too much out. It's too obvious.
You can visually see it.
So that was our first try down at Stan's place. Now here at Randy's, what I've done is I've machined it concentric, and then I've put a couple of shims in here. A couple of they've got 1,000.
We got 3,000.
3,000s we got there. Yeah. So that's offset it, and I've gone past and I've machined it again, and then I've tickled it up nice and bright with this. So now if we can take this out, and you can actually I want to leave the chuck here there, otherwise. So there's no way visually when somebody picks it up,
it's not humanly possible.
It's not humanly possible. Even Keith Fenner won't be able to pick this one up with his sharp eye. And when we dial it in, we've got a deviation here of 1 thou. So that needle is going to wobble all the time. It's going to wobble. So there we have it.
We'll have a true competition.
We're making 2 of these, exactly the same, engraved, and we'll see how that goes. Thank you.
It's recording.
You sure?
Yeah.
Can you see the dial on the? You maybe lower it a little bit so you can get the dial.
Oh, you want to be able to see that?
It's not recording at the moment. We'll get this. We'll get it pretty close first. Yeah.
Yeah, get it close, and then we can undo that. So,
now I'm working backwards. This is also.
Oh, this is going to be.
You are recording.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're going to have to think about this a little bit here. Because you're thinking up and down, not back and forth.
I am.
See, you're not used to that. I don't think you do this that way very often.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I think we're going to try a different take for this.
It's too hard to think about.
That's funny. That's funny.
Take those other.
That's the one you wanted to tighten.
I'm struggling again with this now.
There you go. Good thing Bruce isn't in the competition.
Yeah. Need a 2-day bash.
We'll get the one side going. Okay, we're pretty close there now.
Yeah, we've been using this chuck on Stan's lathe in his shop.
Oh, okay.
For the forge stuff we do in the shop competition thing.
Okay.
And because he doesn't have one.
Okay.
Even and his lathe's smaller than this. So it's like, I don't know, 12-inch lathe or something. But it has the same mount.
It fits.
And so he asked me to just bring it. I have a chuck at home, and I've been bringing it every year
cool.
for everybody to use.
Yeah.
It's a nice. It's a good chuck. I think it's a Cushman.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pretty good chuck. Now you get starting to get close.
What are those increments in millimetres? Would they be, Bruce?
The thousands.
Millimetres?
Oh, what would it be?
Yeah.
Oh, what's a is it 2.4 millimeters per thousand? Right, Bruce? No.
Yeah, to 3.
Right.
Yeah,
2.4.
near enough to 4. Yeah.
Yeah, 2.4.
2.54.
2.5. Right, it's 2.54 is what it is per thousand. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bruce, you got perfect.
Yeah, I go, whoa.
What's going on?
Yeah, okay, we're on 1,000th indicator. So now, is that the best you can do? No, what was that? No, that's true. It's serious. This is a serious question. This is our serious. This, not. Is that the best you can do? It's no. So, do you feel that's the best you can do? So you're one. About. I think just maybe a touch over 1. Okay. I don't know if you can do better than that.
No, what we can do, take that one there.
So what do you got there? What do you have? What are you going to call it?
How?
No. This is, you're reading total TIR here. So what do you, this is 1,000th, and this is a 1,000th indicator. So how much are you out? 1 on that? A smidge over. 1.2. What was it? I don't have glasses on.
There's 1 there. There's 1 there. There's less than 1 there, so I reckon we're about 0.8 total.
Yeah, no, total.
Because don't forget, we're not very round here.
I know that. That's what I'm saying. So I want to write down 0.8.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. 0.0008.
What do you reckon? Do you agree with that?
Let me have a look.
I mean, does everybody good with that?
I can twist this dial, right?
Yeah. Yeah, spin it one direction though.
Trying to just get her on 0 to. Okay. Yeah, oh.
Less than 0.8, isn't it?
No, it's gone more now.
Gone more now.
Yeah. I'd say it's at 1 right now. When you put your hand up there or something. It's about 1 right now. Yeah, 1. Averaging 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's just see this. Look, we've got.
Yeah,
you got to not.
Yeah, there's a lot of that. Yeah, you got to
you
be careful. Yeah.
And and there's a tiny bit in those bearings because it's bearings. It's not plain bearings here.
Yeah.
So there's a tiny.
It's going from 0.8 to about 1.2 actually. So I'm just saying 1.
Okay. We'll say 1. Okay. Here. Now change. This is a 0.5 thousandths indicator.
Well, it would be good if you could put that into the camera.
Oh, yeah,
I'll bring the camera around.
Yeah, we can just here. Well, yeah, it's okay if we don't. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
We've got to get this standing straight up, otherwise. So
We haven't locked the magnet. Is the one problem. Make sure the magnet's locked. Oh, you don't have to turn it. I can read it without it. You can turn it.
Perfect.
Yeah, you're half a high. 1. Okay, it goes. Okay, half. Starting at a half. Okay. Keep going. Okay. 1.4. That's what I'm getting. 1.4. What do you guys get? I got 1.4.
drop a bit of oil on that. Bit of spray a little bit just so that there's no friction there.
Oh, on the
maybe a bit of.
Starting at 0.8, and I'm just going to 1, 2, 3.
1.3.
Starting at
What's your head there?
yeah, pointing at 0.8, and then it's going 1, 2, 3.5. 3.5. So 3.5 minus 0.8. You know, the first little notch, it's going 0.8 of that.
Well,
Well, we can only measure bars. We can't measure in between bars, can we, really?
Well, I'm just trying to
You
give
should
you
only be looking at...
absolute.
well,
So
I
it's-
know,
so
but
it's-
you know, I got about 1.5 bars.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
yeah, so yeah.
I think
so
it was-
1.14.
I think.
Oh, so
So-
1.4.
Yeah. This is WD-40. So
so
Yeah.
what,
let me look
2.8.
again. I'm at half a thou, right on the line. Okay, right on the line. Maybe
No,
maybe a
catch
tenth.
under.
Maybe a tenth under.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm saying
Going right up to 3.5.
what?
Yeah.
1.3, 1.4. Yeah, 1.3. Yeah. So you know that's what I said. So I'm getting about a
So
total of
1.3 minus 8. That's 5.
No, I'm getting about
1.2.
1.4 total deflection. I'm seeing total. Then.
I'm counting the notches. 1, 2. Right.
The point.
Okay. I'm getting about total deflection of 1.4.
Yep. Beautiful. Oh, shit.
I reckon we got 1 thou. The same as you're measuring with that.
Well, close. Yeah, one. Huh? Okay.
That's measuring half a thou.
What did you say, Randy? 1.4.
1.4 total deflection.
1. Okay, I see how you got 1.4. Yeah, it's 1.4. Yeah,
Yeah,
1.4.
that's
It's
right.
1.4. I'm looking at each individual increment.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm used to millimeters.
Oh, there was a good excuse on that elevator.
Pay attention. I'm trying to learn it actually.
It doesn't really matter because it's relative to what you're looking at. It's not.
Right.
What did we say in the first test? And the other with the other?
Well, about 1.4. Well, one.
Oh, 1.
One.
Okay. Yeah.
One.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you going to just test?
And we should have a deflection because of the way I've machined it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But what I'm surprised about, we've got a quadrant and a quadrant. Oh, but I haven't pulled it in. If I pull it in to 0 plus minus,
Yeah.
then we get a different reading.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to try and get it more accurate, dial it in more accurately? After you're just checking.
Well, I think so.
data.
Then we'll see what the real. So what we should have is an average between both ways.
Okay, 1 point. Okay, that's about the. This is so touchy. Okay, let's just call that it's 1.4. See,
Yeah.
we're pretty. We're starting 1 shy, and we're going to 3.5 to 4.
Okay.
1 shy to you know we're talking. Well, see there it's at 1.4. So we're 1.3.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's really good. Here, we measured all of these. We almost came up with the same number.
Yeah.
With a 0.5 and a 1,000 indicator,
and a 10.
and then using a 10. We all came up with the same number.
Yeah.
Okay, do
pretty
you want
close.
to try and dial it in a little more, see if you can get any more accurate? See.
Now what we'll do, is we'll put the 1 thou one in here, underneath here now, and then we'll take a shot of that. All three indicators.
Do you remember what they scored last year? What the
It was time. It was time related. He got to 0. So he got to 0, or what he reckoned was the 0 at such and such a time. And then they
Yeah, that is like, that's so. So we got a half thousandths and tenths indicator, and we're picking up 1.4 thousandths on 1.4 on each one. So we've confirmed our measurements.
Do you want to go? Want to try and dial that in better? Just
yeah, I wouldn't mind having a go at that. We'll try to dial
Those
it
are
a
our
little bit
numbers.
better.
see if it goes.
And see what our
down.
maximum
Oops.
deviation we can get to.
Yeah.
Or minimum deviation.
Hold it there. Okay, now rotate. Yeah. You keep rotating it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Okay, I can. What I can do is.
Okay. Good enough.
Okay, Bruce. You want to.